Make a great choice today with the 2016 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.